Hello everybody, here we have our brand spanking new Samsung washing machine, kindly delivered a few days ago. It is model number Samsung WW80J5555FA. So I do a bit of a feature shot for you. We have our massive 8kg drum. It's an eco bubble, as you can see. We have this fancy soft touch control panel and our two hard touch buttons for the on and off button and the play and pause button. We have a wide variety of wash options. We've got a massive 14, which I have never had before, so playing with this is going to be fun. So before I show you it in action, we'll just go through the control panel a little bit. We have the temperature, which you can adjust depending on your wash cycle. We have the amount of rinses you want to put on per wash. You've got a spin cycle of different amounts, so depending on whether you think your items are going to be holding a lot of water, you can put on a larger spin. We also have this little extra button here I've never had before. So it's a selected option on certain cycles that allows you to do a pre-wash and a bubble soak or an easy iron. Personally, I've never had an easy iron option, so we're going to be finding out how well that works very shortly. So if I turn the appliance on, we get a lovely little tune, this easy to read LED screen. Now my little boy had a bit of a upset tummy last night, so we've got his bedding in ready for a nice big long heavy soak. Make sure we can get it out. I'm going to select the bedding function. I'll leave it on a 40 wash. I think I will pop the rinse cycle onto a 2, a high spin because I think his bedding is going to hold a lot of water. And I'm going to pop on this bubble soak option for any intense stains and hope that it all comes out as clean as yesterday. Let me set that off. As you can see, depending on the weight of the garments, it does estimate its own cycle time and it will adjust accordingly. We have a very important feature in my house, a lovely child lock to pop on there, and I'm also going to turn the sound off. My little boy is very attracted to it. There we are, it's just filling up, so I'll come back to it as soon as it's ready and I will show you how perfectly quiet it is once cycle is taking place. Here we have the washing machine in cycle and it's nice and quiet, not like my old one. We have our two little butterfingers next to us that never leave the bloody thing alone. For those that don't have the little fingers running around the house, there is a nice feature that if you want to change the cycle, all you need to do is, for me, take the child lock off, pause the cycle that's currently on, change the cycle you wish to then use, I'm going to pop it onto a daily wash. Your timing will change. So your cycle's been changed. Press play again. And there you have it. You're now onto a daily wash cycle. Personally, I couldn't recommend this product enough. For once, even in my busy household where I spend little time, my laundry basket is nearly empty, thanks to this huge drum. For all you busy people out there like myself, I often used to forget to have a clean out of the washing machine, do an empty cycle and give it a good rinse. On this new model, they do an eco drum clean, which reminds you on the LED screen on the right hand side after 40 washes that it's due. It also gives you a grace wash of 6 times before it will clear off the screen and reactivate in another 40 washes. So plenty of remind time. Perfect for me. So coming to the end of my review, I honestly could not recommend this product enough. Thank you for taking the time to have a view, and I hope it helps out with any questions that anybody's had.